like the Euro 2004 final and also 2 Champions League finals, one in 2014, another in 2020. On this side we have our museum Benfica.
Quem discutiu para se não naquele.
Next to it, a smaller field with the 3 goals for the goalkeepers of the main team for doing their specific training. The longer building in the middle. Number 1 with the red stand is where the games of the B team, under 23 team and the women's team take place. The field on that side is for the men's team to train. So I'm going to ask you, when I'm explaining No, this is not the Benfica's one. Forty-four. 2.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous,
He scored 638 goals in 614 matches. He also was the first Portuguese player and the only player in a Portuguese team to ever win a Ballon d'Or in 1965. He also has 2 Golden Boots, first one in 1968. Breakfast, the end of the room for the television. If you want to take some pictures up there, of course you can, but I'm going to on this side to go up and down. Crianças abaixo dos 13 anos e pessoas que tenham epilepsia, tonturas ou problemas. Pronto, nós agora estamos na nossa sala para 300 jornalistas. Zona das cadeiras para as portas, logo atrás da parte de madeira. Rádios funda da sala para as televisões. Depois, quando eu acabar a explicação em inglês, se quiserem vir aqui acima. On the grating,
Barcelona
going to stay in here tomorrow.
En geçtiğimizde. İşte diye ama